So see this, here I have taken 3 examples, and for these 3 matrices we are supposed to find out the rank. Watch this, the first one. So what I am trying to do is trying to convert everything to echelon form. So if you observe this, the first row and third row, they are identical, and second row and fourth row are identical. Therefore I am replacing third row with the result of R3 minus R1, and I am replacing the fourth row with the result of R4 minus R2. Then I got this. Okay, and now if you observe it, it is in echelon form, isn't it? All the 0 rows are at the bottom, and then the number of zeros are increasing, isn't it? Here there are 0 zeros before the first non-zero. There is 1, and there is 2, there is 3, like that. Okay, so anyway this is in echelon form. Then what can we say? The rank is equal to number of non-zero elements or non-zero rows. But here one thing you should consider is there is A, B, C, D. Even if all A, B, C, D's are zeros, since they are variables, we have one which is non-zero, and here there is one which is non-zero. Therefore even if all of them goes to 0, there will be number of non-zero rows will be 2. So we can say that the number of non-zero rows is 2, which means the rank of this particular matrix is 2, and so the rank of this one is also 2. Got it? Now observe this one, next one. So if you observe this, if I multiply the R1 with 3, then first row and second row will be equivalent, are identical. Then what we can do is, I'll multiply first row with 3 and subtract it from R2 and replace the result with R2, right? And then if you observe first one and third row, most of the elements are identical. Therefore we can subtract from R3 R1. Then I got this. Okay, but then it is not in echelon form because all the zeros should be at the bottom. So in order to get that, I am just exchanging first, second row and third row. Now whatever I got is in echelon form. And what about the rank of it? It is nothing but number of non-zero rows. If you want to see how it is possible, you can check this one. The determinant of this one is minus 8, which is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of this one is 2. Since rank of this matrix is 2, which is obtained by elementary transformations from this one, rank of this one is also 2. Got it? Rank of this one is 2. Okay, observe this one. Now again I am trying to do some transformations on this so that I will get echelon form. So see this, here there is 2 and here there is 1. If I multiply this one with 2 and subtract from here, I will get this one as 0. And here there is 1, here there is minus 1. If I add these two and replace the result here, I get 0. So for that reason I am subtracting R2 with R1 with 2, multiplying R1 with 2 and subtracting it from R2 and replacing it in R2. So and then adding R1 and R3 and replacing the result in R3. Then I got this, and you can clearly see that this is in echelon form, isn't it? So since that is in echelon form, and we can know that the number of non-zero rows is 2, rank of this one is 2. Since the rank of this matrix is 2, the rank of this matrix is also 2. Got it? So if you want to see how it is rank is 2, you can find out the determinant of this one or this one, any 2 by 2 matrix there. You can easily see that the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is not equal to 0, therefore the rank of this one is 2. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.